There is a difference between traditional programming and machine learning. The basic difference between the traditional programming and machine learning is, in traditional programming, we give the data inputs and we write the program and we give it to the machine, right? It will consume the data and give us the output using that program, what we have written. So we have to write the program here. We feed the data and program and run it on a machine to get the output, and run it on a machine to get the output. Whereas in machine learning, we feed data, input, and output, right? Such as, let's say, preparing for the exam. So we give a mind a question and the answer, a question and the answer, a question and the answer. So like our mind would prepare for it, right? So we do not write the, or do not give the program as an input to the machine. So machine, that's the major advantage of machine learning. Complex programming would be taken care of by the machine itself, right? And when the real input is given, when the output is not known, then based on the previous input and output experiences, machine will try to produce my outcome. And generally the program is also generated by the model during the training process, right? And what does exactly learning means for the computer, such as, let's say, learning from the experiences with reference to or with respect to some class of tasks. If its performance in a given task, let's say, improve the experience, such as, let's say, as we have said, if I'm doing a particular task and if I get a reward as an outcome, I store it as an experience and I'll continue doing in that particular direction. On the contrary, if I'm doing a particular task and if I get a penalty or if I do not get any reward, I will stop going in that particular direction and try to tune in other direction and try to accomplish higher reward in the next one. Such as, let's say, learn from the experience E with reference to some class of task T and performance measure P. If the performance at that particular task T is higher, then it will improve my experience, correct? Some, such as, let's say, reward is higher, then it will say that's a good experience, we should continue in that particular direction.